Hello, Home Warrior Nation. I'm Mr. M, and welcome back to another edition of Physical Education at Home, where today we have another boxing skill challenge for you. So come on, get ready. Let's go get this. Okay, Home Warrior Nation. Today we're doing a boxing challenge. And as part of that boxing challenge, we're going to be learning basic boxing movement. We're going to be learning a couple of different punches, and then we're going to put them together for combinations. As we're doing this, we're working on our agility, our reflexes, our mobility, our movement, our techniques, but we're also getting a great cardiovascular workout. Because remember, boys and girls, every day we want you to do at least 20 minutes of non-stop cardiovascular activities, because we want to make sure we get our heart pumping faster, because that's actually going to make our heart stronger and make sure that we stay healthy throughout this whole time. The goal is not to stop and to keep moving, get our heart rate up, but also to work on our technique and just have a good time doing this. So now you have to ask the question, like always, boys and girls, are you ready to become the boxing world champion of your household? And if you are, then come on, let's go, let's do this. Okay, boys and girls, so it is time for a boxing skill challenge. So you know what time it is. It is that time when we face our fears, we overcome obstacles, and we remind ourselves that hard work always leads to victory. It is time for warrior mode. So come on, let's go. That's better. Okay, boys and girls, so we are ready for our boxing skill challenge, which starts right now. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the 5 sections of this exercise. So the first thing we're going to be doing as boxers is we're going to start by jumping rope. All right, notice how I'm doing it. Try to do your best to keep the same way outside alternate feet. So here we go. Okay, that's 1. Number 2, we're going to go to our footwork. The footwork looks like this. You never want to be standing like this because it provides no base. You could easily fall over. You want a lead leg forward, knees slightly bent, hands always protecting your head, and you're kind of going, and you're dancing around, right? You could go forward, you could go back, but the point is just to keep moving around, get some space. You're kind of getting out of the way of the punches, and you keep moving around. Number 3, our first combination. We're going to go from jab, cross, and then we're going to attack the body, boom, boom. So again, jab, cross, 5, 5, right? Whoop. That was not supposed to happen, but let's continue. Okay, boys and girls, so here we go. Again, jab, cross, hook, hook to the body. Again, jab, cross, body, body. And notice how I'm moving my whole body. I'm not doing this. That's not what I'm doing. I'm, again, rotating my shoulders. I'm rotating my hips for power, right? And then I start again, reset. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, we're just going to do it over and over again. Our 4th movement for today is going to go hooks to the head, hook, and then from the hooks we're doing uppercuts. So we're trying to kind of hit somebody under the chin, and it looks like this. Hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. And again, notice my body, right? I'm not just doing this. I'm doing hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut, because I'm trying to engage my entire body. To get power, I have to make sure my legs are involved, my shoulders are involved, and then for our last movement, boys and girls, we are going to think of defense. Imagine our punches coming in a straight line at you, and the way we practice dodging is you're going to do what's called a slip and then a bottom weave. So here it goes. So there's the slip part. Punch comes at you, move out of the way. Punch comes at you, you move out of the way, right? So that's the slip. So punch, right? So again, punch, punch, and now we're going to the weave part. You're going to go into almost a squat position, come up on the other side, avoid the middle, and then come back to the other side, right? So it looks like, literally like this. 1, 2, bob, weave, right? Again, here we go, and slip, slip, bob, weave, and then we start again. And that's pretty much all the moves that we're going to do again. And we're gonna keep doing it 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. So basically, when we're done, we should have a good cardio workout. But boys and girls, it is time for our challenge. So let's go, let's get this, come on. boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back again. If you can next time, bring a family member along. Make them do it with you, have some fun. But if not, come back anyway so we can do it together. And now it is time for us to go. But to all my Home Warrior Nation, it is time to ask yourself that question again. Are you ready to become the boxing heavyweight champion of your home? And if you are, then come on, let's get it. Let's go.